In today's video, I'm going to show you a few tips that are going to save you anywhere from $10,000 or $15,000 just by changing one of these. Most homeowners don't realize how proper airflow actually prevents their systems from breaking down. Today, in this video, we're going to go over all the potential problems that you could have with restrictions, dirty air filters, and other issues that could affect the performance of your system. In this display that we have here right now, it's basically going to show you how airflow goes through the entire unit. Right now, we have a good clean filter sitting there. As you can see, we've got really good airflow going through the system right now. That compartment that's sitting right there is where the filter's at. That's usually what you see inside your home. So right now we've got air that's getting pulled in from the house, going through the unit, and gets cooled down at this coil right here. So air changes is what we want. We want the air being pulled in from the house, sent through the coil, dehumidified, and cooled down, and get sent back into your home to give you the comfort that you're looking for. Now in this scenario, we've restricted the airflow. Most common airflow restrictions come from dirty air filters, but it can also come from badly designed return air grills or vents that have been accidentally closed. In this scenario, you can see how the airflow has dropped. Well, what that's gonna do is that's gonna impede the cycle changes, what we talked about earlier, where you want air coming in, air going out, and you want that constant cycle. So what's happening here is the air has been restricted. So we don't have enough airflow coming around the coil. Then problems that we see a lot of times with this is that this coil gets too cold and it starts to freeze over. Another common issue that we have is the blower motor compartment. The blower motor starts working too hard because pressure builds up here too high, and it causes these parts to prematurely wear out. So in this scenario, pressure has risen, the coil possibly could start freezing over and damaging the blower motor parts. Like we discussed, a simple thing like not changing dirty air filters, ducting that's not sized properly for your specific system, all that could set off a domino effect of high head pressure, leaks, blower motors going out, compressors prematurely going out. We always have to have that air cycle change per hour that's recommended for your specific setting. That's why it's important that a $20 item like an air filter, proper maintenance, could save you $10,000 to $15,000 down the road. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And don't forget to hit the follow button. Thanks.